The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Hello everyone. Rain is moving further and further towards the east as we go through the next hour or so. But after midnight is when it really spreads out. I think between 5 and 8 a.m. is when we have our peak rainfall. Yellows and oranges showing up, so there is some intensity to that rain a little bit before you might be waking up on Friday. That continues, and as it moves further towards the east, loses a little bit of that intensity, so it's more showing up green. And then by 8, 9 o'clock in the morning, we're losing a lot of the rain itself in the Highlands and NRV, and Roanoke zones included in that as well. So just a little bit left over between 9 and 10. Most of us are dry afternoon. The only actual precipitation that comes afternoon is going to be some snow on western slopes, and I think that's even going to have a hard time to form. I think it's going to be a little bit lighter than what the future tracker is thinking. Meanwhile, the rest of us are going to have plenty of clear skies, so that by 9 p.m. we're pretty clear. We stay clear through the night and really through a lot of Saturday and for Sunday. Heaviest rain comes into the Highlands, getting almost 2 inches in parts of Lewisburg. Meanwhile, outside of that, a lot of us are pretty close to a ½ inch. Some a little bit less, some a little bit more, but that's what the general trend is. The one spot that's going to get a little bit of extra rain is just to the south of South Boston. It's the only other spot that's showing up green on our rain total map right now. A lot of our temperatures tomorrow end up around 60 degrees for highs. To take you zone by zone, NRV's at 56, Highlands at 58, and then Roanoke, Lynchburg, and Southside all actually making it into the 60s. What's different for tomorrow compared to a normal day is that a lot of these high temperatures are really early on. Most of us hit our highs at about 7, 8 a.m. and then keep on cooling through the day. About 3, 4 o'clock when we would normally have our high temperatures, it's going to be about 50 degrees, so 10 degrees cooler than what the high is, and we keep on losing heat through the evening. Since we have those clear skies, there's nothing to hold on to any heat from the day, so we keep on cooling there too. We're going to go from highs around 60 to most of our lows down into the 20s overnight. Not exactly shaping up nicely for Saturday morning. The good news is we don't have too much wind to contend with by then. It is going to be breezy for tomorrow afternoon, especially between 2 and 6 p.m. Winds are up towards 20 with gusts to 40. So there is some wind chill to deal with there, but it does get better as we get towards Saturday. Through the first part of Friday, wind chill is pretty consistent, and then we start to see it getting cooler as we get towards 4 p.m. At that point, the winds start to ease off as temperatures cool. So we've got wind chills into the teens, some single digits, a lot of 20s and 30s to the southeast. Since temperatures are cooling at a similar rate to how winds are falling, we don't really have to deal with extra cold wind chills Saturday morning. Overnight, our temperatures are going to stay pretty warm. We don't cool down that much as it is. Pulaski 51, Lexington 55. Get a little bit of extra heat early in the day, but then we keep on cooling down. Most of these highs are around 7, 8, 9 o'clock. Blacksburg 56, Alta Vista at 64. On the extended forecast, temperatures are going to push into the 60s with some showers through next week. And on the 3-degree guarantee, actual high temperature was 75 degrees for today, so well above average for this time of year.